welcome to Tamada's table. Today I'll show you how to make a very simple but delicious dish with beets and walnuts. Charkhali Nigvzit. It's type of appetizer which we serve at the informal parties or just simple dinners. And it's so simple to prepare. All I need is beets, which I boiled yesterday, so I put them in the pot. I covered them with cold water by 1 inch at least, and covered and cooked on medium heat for about 50 minutes. Yes, beets sometimes take a long time to cook. All I have to do now, I have to peel the beets, and then I can either grate them or I can use the food processor to mince them. So let's begin. I'll just quarter the beets like that, so it's more convenient to grind them in the food processor like that. But as I said, you use just hand grater. Now I will put the beets aside and I will focus on the walnut paste. So if you watch some of my videos on Tamada's table, you already know that for walnut sauce we will be combining walnuts and some coarse salt to help grinding first, because we want to crush the walnuts, and garlic. So I'm putting like 3, well, it's medium large garlic cloves, but you can put one more if you like garlic, if you're a really garlic lover. So I'm first crushing the walnuts and then I will be adding spices. And again, the tip to make Georgian walnut sauce is, if the walnuts are not turning into the paste, just splash of water will help. Very nice. So we will be adding Georgian spices, marigold, coriander, fenugreek. These are 3 main Georgian spices, and I want to add a pinch of cayenne. Here I have cayenne, so just a pinch of it, because you will be adjusting taste later. And again, now let's check the paste. The paste is, yeah, actually it's very good. I'll just add a little bit of water so it turns into fine paste. Just a little splash of water will help. Oh, the paste is ready. Look, it's actually, it has rich golden color because of the spices and cayenne pepper, and because I almost did not add any water. The walnut paste is done. It's time now to chop the beets and combine all the ingredients. Let's do it. Now let's put the beets into the food processor, and I will immediately add the paste. Yeah, cooking can be a little bit messy. So what? I have my apron, so I'm not afraid of mess. And it's better to pulse. Wow, yeah, it's almost done. Yes, I love this color of this beet spread. Look how beautiful it is, and smells, you know, it's garlic and spices, everything is in this beautiful spread. So I'll just pulse it for 1, 2, 3, 4 more times. Now let's combine all ingredients, and I will add 1 tablespoon of vinegar into the spread. And look at the beautiful color of the spread. And then I will add cilantro. And we will mix it well. So I'm combining cilantro with the beets and walnuts and spices. It already has garlic. So I mixed all the ingredients. Now what's left is to really taste it and see, you know, what you need to add. It's so good. I would add some salt. I would add some vinegar, and I would not add more cayenne, but you can. So I have another 1 tablespoon of vinegar here. I will be adding to the pkhali dish and mix it again, and a pinch of fine sea salt is okay. Again, mix, cover with the plastic wrap, and put into your refrigerator. You can serve it in a couple of hours or tomorrow. So today, my friends, we made Charkhali Nigvzit, beets with walnuts, and look at this beautiful, like really royal color of the dish. So what you can do, you can decorate it with a little bit of pomegranates and add a couple of walnuts and serve in the bowl with toasted bread. But Georgians usually serve this type of spreads and pkhali dishes with the mchadi. So today, my friends, we made beets with walnuts, delicious Charkhali Nigvzit. It's an appetizer, and you can serve it either in a bowl or you can make bowls from it. If you like the recipe, please share with your family and friends, especially vegan friends. Come back for more. Bon appetit! Gabriela Smith.